Hey riders, we are back with another video. So I'm here with my lovely beautiful daughter, Miss Spirit.
Hello.
She got her stunning shades on right now, and I am about to take a walk through in Michaels today. We're just gonna check out Michaels and see if they have any sales, clearance items, just any cool stuff that we haven't seen or something that we may like to pick up. Come along with us on this shop trip, guys, and check out what Michaels has today. Are y'all ready? Riders, let's go. All right, there's Michaels. There's Michaels. Let's see what they have, guys. So as soon as we walked in the door, the first thing that I noticed was the bakery section. I found these baking pans for $5, guys. I love the fact that they're different sizes. So if you're really into baking, this is like heaven for the bakers out there. They had 4-inch, 6-inch, every size that you can think of. We also took a tour over to the art department, and me and my daughter both are artists, basically. I'm actually a graphic designer by trade, and my daughter loves art as well. I guess she inherited that from me. So we did look at the art pens. They were all 50% off. Buy one get one 50% off. I'm sorry. Some of them were not just pens, they were pencils, just all types of art supplies. They were buy one get one 50%. And then they had, just the other art supplies that were also like sporadically on sale. There was something for 50 cents, erasers for $1, something was $2 that was gone. So they've had this sale probably for a while. We did check out the sketchbooks and the journals. I love journaling. So when I do go to like Michaels or Hobby Lobby, I always check to see if they have journals on sale or anything like that. And I believe those were 30% off. Most of them were about $8. They had different designs, destination everywhere. There's like a little travel journal. That little hamster with the gold crown, I thought that was cute. They had spiral journals as well. And we also looked at their jewelry beads, because we do make jewelry sometimes. My daughter likes to make jewelry. And they're usually always on sale, or either they'll have a sale every other week. I did find some really cool crystal beads, and those stone beads I think are really lovely too. My daughter loves pink and like those clear stones, so she likes to make stretchy bracelets out of those. So we did find a lot of cool colored beads, and the pearl beads are always nice too. So they had a lot of those. It seems like the prices range from like $3.99 to $7.99. And we also found this Juicy Couture letter bracelets. So I thought that'd be cute for a preteen, or just like maybe a 8 to 12-year-old little girl that's interested in making her own jewelry. And the name Juicy Couture is always nice to have too. And then I was lucky to run into this it's like a resin kit, and I've never seen an actual kit with resin. It's usually like all the products that you need for the resin is sold separately. But for this one, this is really good because it's a whole kit and you don't have to buy anything outside of the kit. So I thought that was a really good find for $20. It's a 60-piece resin set. I also found these summer wreaths, and I've literally never seen a summer wreath. This was my first time running into this, and I think that is really a cool concept, because you have wreaths in the Christmas season, so why not have them in the summertime, So those were 50% off. And then I saw this and I thought that was really cute. Queen of Everything. And then I think that's another wreath that goes maybe on the door. That's just a little applique for your kitchen. Kitchen is where the heart is. Welcome to our hive. I thought that was cute too. And they had these lemon and orange cups. Those were $12.99. I thought those were really cute. I love coffee cups. Lemon squeezy. It's like a little container you can keep stuff in. That one was $8.99. And all that stuff on the wall was 50% off. So they're running a lot of sales for 50% off right now. Those are measuring cups, ceramic measuring cups in like a lemon ceramic design. And that is a specialty candle. I wish you guys could smell that. Oh my God, it smells so good. Scented candle that they had at Michael's. I just love scented candles. I'm a big fan of them. They also had their Easter stuff on clearance for 60% off. So if you guys are looking for Easter stuff for next year, now's the time to buy it at Michael's. They had all types of stuff. I think most of the stuff was under $10. And they had the little Easter baskets for your kids. So if you want to create an Easter basket for next year, now is the time to do so. They're originally $14.99 and they had them for 60% off, guys. That was a steal. So you're getting them for less than $50. They had these little wooden designs, ornaments. They were also 60% off. And little baby toys, like kids toys, the little bunnies that hop. I love those. I bought 3 of those for my 10-month-old, and she just loves those little bunnies that hop. Those were actually 60% off of $2, making them like 80 cents. So that was a very good deal. I bought one in pink, white, and blue. And they also had like, you know, Easter egg dye and all that good stuff. I took a walk into the synthetic plant section, and these plants almost fooled me because I was like, what are they doing with real plants in Michael's? They are so like realistic. These plants look so real. So if you guys are looking for like a fake plant for your home or in your kitchen, Michael's has the plants, guys, the synthetic plants. Most of those plants were like $40. The ones that hang from the wall were $40, and they were 50% off, so that would have made them $20, which is still a good deal. Also, the one at the bottom I thought was very interesting. I'm not sure what kind of plant that is, but I do like the fact that it's a little bit different. And that looks like a moss plant. Can you see how realistic that looks? That one was, what, $29.99? And then they also had, you'll see in a minute, these little tiny planter plants that you can just put like in a little kitchen window, or just sit them around different places outside on your porch or wherever. Those were $1.99, and those were also 50% off. So that made them $1. And I just love those. Me and my daughter got a few of those. I bought the brown Potter bottoms for my kitchen, and she bought the white Potter bottoms for her room, in her window in her room. So I thought those were really, really adorable. And the inside dirt looked like real dirt. And this I've been looking for everywhere, and I could never find. It's actually a bow maker, and I always wanted to buy one of these for like Christmas, but I was never able to find it. So I'm glad that I found it there, and it was only $20. The last thing I think I found was the Happy Planner, and it was 30% off. So all the planners were $34.99, and I was able to find one for 30% off. And the Happy Planner is pretty expensive, but I just love the way they have them set up. They have an area where you can put like your stickers. You can write notes on the side and then plan out your day by day routine. So I thought that was really cool. Alright guys, well that concludes our Michaels walkthrough today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment and share our videos because we want the world to know and we want the world to take a shop trip with us. Y'all take care and we'll see you next time. Bye.